us. So we have 2 exponent 18 minus 1. Okay, so we have been asked to solve this without using a calculator. Okay, now this number is called a Mersenne number. Okay, now it's called a Mersenne number because it takes the form m with a subscript n equals 2 exponent n minus 1. Okay, where n stands for any positive whole number. Okay, so these numbers are called Mersenne numbers. All right, let's solve it. So let's say solution. All right, so we have 2 exponent 18 minus 1. Now we can write 18 as 9 times 2. Now 1 is the same as 1 exponent 2. Okay, now according to the power of a power rule, a exponent m times c equals a exponent m multiplying c. Okay, therefore our okay therefore we can write 2 exponent 9 squared minus 1 squared. All right, so this follows, or this obeys difference of two squares. So let's apply the difference of two squares concept. So a squared minus b squared should always give us a plus b multiplying a minus b. All right, so our equation becomes 2 exponent 9 plus 1. And then here we have 2 exponent 9 minus 1. All right, so 2 exponent 9 gives us 512. Okay, so we have 512 minus 1. All right, so we are going to have 513, and here we have 511. Okay, now let's expand this. Now 513 can be written as 500 plus 13. Okay, now note we have been asked to expand this without using a calculator. Okay, now 511 can be written as 500 plus 11. All right, so let's expand. So okay, we are going to have 500 times 500 plus 11, and then here we have 13 times 500 okay plus 11. All right, so you're going to have okay 1 2 3, so you have 250,000 plus okay plus 5,500 plus okay here we have 6500, that's 6,500, and then we have plus okay this one gives us 143. All right, now we've been asked to expand this without using a calculator. Okay, so we are adding all this, so let's add this and this first. So 5,500 plus 6,500, and this will give us 0 0. Here we have 0, here we have 12. Okay, so we have 100 and we have 12,000. Okay, all right, so you're going to have okay 250,000 plus 12,000 plus 143. All right, so this is what we have now. All right, so let's add all these numbers. Okay, so we are going to have 250,000 plus 12,000. Okay, all right, plus 143. So 3, 4, and 1. So we have 3, this one gives us 4, this one gives us 1, this one gives us 2, this gives us 6, and this gives us 2. All right, so you're going to have 2, this gives us 262,143. Okay, so this is what we have as our answer. Okay, so we can write, okay, we can say, okay, this gives us 262,143. All right, so this is our final answer.